of Cinderella Chicken.
Good evening. Andito tayo ngayon sa the Port Choy inside the Army Golf Range. And the restaurant actually is known for its Chinese food. Very good, but at this time, we asked the chef now that instead of the flavorings of the spare ribs, we asked him to put it sa chicken. So let's try it out. So I'm gonna get this. Ang actually kailangan nito, hindi siya tender, hindi siya matigas. Okay, and the entire thing is very well cooked. And we'll take a taste now kung papasa at hanggang sa loob ang lasa. The flavor of the spices are just coming in and out of my mouth, and napakalambot ng chicken lumabas. Kaya, Chris, palalo.
Yes, Cinderella Chicken. Order na.